Hello everyone, welcome to Code Fanatic. In this video we are going to learn how to clone a GitLab project into Android Studio. First, download Git from Git's official website. I am using Windows system and I have already downloaded Git for my system. You can download Git based on your preferred operating system. I'll put the link to this website in the description below. There are two ways in which you can clone a GitLab project. One is SSH method and one more is HTTPS method. So we are going to learn both HTTPS and SSH method in this video. First, let me show you how to clone a project using SSH method. To clone a project using SSH method, you need to add a SSH key to your GitLab profile. So to do that, you have to click on your profile, go to settings, SSH keys. So there is an option given to type in your SSH key. So how do I generate an SSH key? So to do that, you have to go to Git GUI. This comes in with the Git download from the which I mentioned before. So if you go to Git GUI, click on help, show SSH key. So it shows your system's SSH key. So you have to copy this, you have to click on copy to clipboard, or you can copy anyhow. So if you click on copy to clipboard and you paste it here, you can give a title to your SSH key. You can also give a expiry date. So I'm going to give I'm going to set an expiry date. Now I'm going to add the key. So now I have added an SSH key to my GitLab profile. So let me go to my project. Now I'm going to copy the SSH URL. Now I'm going to go to Android Studio. I'm going to click on get from version control. I'm going to type in paste the URL which I have just copied. I'm going to click on clone. I'm going to click on yes, finish. Project is now building. I have now successfully cloned a GitLab project using SSH method. So I'll show you how to do a basic command. I'm going to type in a comment. Now I'm going to commit the changes. Type in a commit message. Then I'm going to push my changes. I have pushed my changes to my remote repository. So if I go to my remote repository, so click on app source. You can see my commits are reflected here. Now let me show you how to clone a project using HTTPS method. So now I'm going to close my Android Studio, delete my remote repository. I'm going to delete the project which I just cloned. So let me go to my repository. I'm going to copy the HTTPS URL now. I'm going to go to my Android Studio. Click on get from version control. I'm going to paste the URL. Then I'm going to click on clone. when I was cloning the project using SSH method, it never asked for my credentials. But when I am cloning using HTTPS method, it is asking for my credentials. This is the difference between SSH and HTTPS method. So I'm going to type in my credentials. So I'm going to log in now. Project is now building. I have now successfully cloned my project using HTTPS method. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please support me at Patreon. You can also support me by subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching.